Today's designing spaces, protecting what matters the most, solar energy options, upping your curb appeal with concrete, a summer pool tip, what that chlorine smell is really telling you, plus smart financing for today's homeowner. Time to design. Across the country, the grid is under more strain than ever before. Extreme weather, increased demand, and an aging infrastructure mean that outages are becoming more frequent and more expensive. What can you do to prevent your home from losing power when the grid goes down? The answer is simple: whole home energy storage that delivers true independence and peace of mind.
I live in St. Petersburg, Florida. I've lived here for about 5 years. My second year living here in St. Pete, we experienced Hurricane Helene. I was actually away on a work trip and Helene hit. I had 4.5 feet of water inside my house. Some of the neighborhood was out of power for 2 weeks. When the power's out, it really affects everything. Going solar was, beyond just saving money. Saving money for me was the cherry on top, right? But what going solar actually did for me, especially with the battery system, was it gave me control. The control that now I'm not paying the power grid. I'm free from rate hikes in the future. That's a huge impact. And I know with the Lion system, I can pretty much have any power outage and be A-okay.
For Jeremy and his family, the move to solar plus battery storage was an easy choice, especially as energy independence has become more necessary.
Energy independence is a hot topic right now in our country. There is increasing demand for electricity. We see AI data centers, we see technologies emerging, and all of those rely on an increased amount of energy. In order to keep up and bring new capacity, we install solar energy systems and we store that power through energy technology in batteries. Another reason why we see increased interest from homeowners here in the United States for energy storage and resiliency is we see an increased amount of weather-related natural disasters. I don't know that people understand the need for energy storage until they go days or weeks without power. Solar with battery gives you that ability to produce your own clean energy for free. You can collect that energy from the sun. Then from there, instead of sending that energy onto the grid like we used to do, homeowners now have the ability with energy storage systems to store that power. It gives you a microgrid energy system at home.
Ryan and our homeowner Jeremy sit down to discuss how to find the right energy storage system for your space. And it all starts with asking the right questions.
So one of the concerns the missus had, right? Noise. Are these things gonna be noisy when you install?
The way that inverters and battery systems are designed, there is no noise. Unlike traditional gas-powered generators, they don't have any sound or maintenance related to them.
So in the battery system that you're gonna install in the house, does it only work when the power's out?
The system that we'll be installing on your home, it is a whole home energy system. It can be used at all times independent of the energy grid.
When the power does go out here, what is the system that you're gonna install actually powering the home?
This system is designed and engineered to cover your complete home. You will have energy to your EV, you'll have energy to your pool, your air conditioning, and all circuits within the home.
When you guys are done installing, what should I expect with my utility bill?
Now that you are producing and storing your own energy, you don't have a utility bill anymore.
A quality system also requires experienced professionals who understand roofing, electrical systems, and proper installation. Once installed, how does the technology work?
So here behind me, we've installed the Lion Sanctuary Gen 3 energy storage system. With this system, the homeowner is completely independent from the energy grid. They're saving money every month as they run their home, charge their EVs. That energy comes from the sun. And it gives them the ability to save money every month while at the same time giving them the resiliency and independence that they need.
And so installing the Lion battery system, it's been nothing but great. It was actually really funny. I was leaving my house the other day, and there's a couple utility trucks, and they were, fixing a line, and I just rolled down my window and asked if everything's okay, and he said, "Yep, we're just trying to get the power up and running for you guys." And I kind of just chuckled because I didn't experience any of it. My lights didn't flicker or anything. I had no idea, and it was worth every penny at that point.
Here at Lion Energy, we truly believe in your life, your power, your way.
Energy storage is more than energy necessity. It's about protecting what matters. Stay powered longer. Visit lionenergy.com/TV or find out more at designingspaces.tv. Did you know? Concrete is the most widely used building material in the world, second only to water. It shows up in nearly every home in some form and is one of the most overlooked investments a homeowner can make. And now, more than ever, folks are looking to improve their outdoor spaces.
Several reasons why we see customers call us and ask for a free consultation of the products and services we provide. A lot of times it's required, whether it's light commercial building and insurance is requiring you to fix a broken walkway, or an HOA may decide that, hey, your driveway needs to be replaced if your home is more than 10, 20, 30 years old. But a lot of investment also comes in the home living and the outdoor living spaces that we provide. We see that up to 100% of your investment in concrete is returned in the equity in that home.
For one Colorado family, the time had come. Their driveway was DOA.
We've been in this house since 2004, so just over 22 years. I've really enjoyed this house.
Our driveway is extremely old. It is incredibly cracked, and it just needs updating.
It has been frustrating with having our driveway in ill repair and frankly with a builder grade walkway. It would be nice just to have something that is not only more functional, but also gives us the opportunity to update our look, add to the curb appeal, and ultimately allow us to use our front yard more often.
Having used Sam the concrete man for their back patio, they knew who to call for a free at-home estimate.
Let's start with the driveway. As you can see, our driveway is original to the house, just over 22 years, and has the use of 22 years. It's got some cracking, some staining. I would love to get our walkway to be where it's more functional for our guests, and extend it from here all the way to the city walk. And then lastly, I'd love to add a patio that would be surrounding our bay window, just to add a bit more functionality for our house.
I think all of that sounds great. Let me start grabbing some measurements.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Shout when you're ready.
Thank you. Yep.
Thank you.
We're going to look at that project that we discussed. This is really just going to modernize the whole front of the house and give you something that's actually usable out there now. The job itself, we take all that concrete out and we're going to go recycle it. So that gets broken down into a road-based material. We're going to bring road base in, get a nice compaction down because we don't want to pour concrete on dirt. We want to have a nice base under there. Concrete that goes in is 4-inch thick, a 4,500 PSI, a little stronger than kind of industry standard. But we found in Colorado with the harsh weather, the freeze thaw, and the ground movement we get, it just holds up a little better. You guys want to do it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's get you on the schedule. All right. Thanks, you guys. We started tearing out this concrete. We immediately noticed there's no reinforcement at all. There's no wire mesh, no rebar, there's no fiber mesh. This is straight concrete. They poured it directly on dirt. The site prep makes a huge difference. So we're gonna bring in a road-based material, which is recycled concrete, and we're gonna get a properly compacted subgrade. Now when that concrete goes down on there, it's sitting on a solid foundation. Drainage is important. Pushing moisture away from foundations of houses is a #1 thing for us. It's gonna help protect the homeowner's home. Reinforcement is huge. It varies greatly around the country, and we're gonna have a much, much more stable product.
Concrete is more than just an initial investment in the product itself and the equity in your home. It also provides lasting beauty and safety for those around you.
The work we had done with Sam the Concrete Man far exceeded our expectations. We knew that they would be professional, provide quality work. The Sam the Concrete Man crew did an incredible job of listening to us, making sure that all of our needs were addressed, and ultimately very pleased with the outcome.
I'm most looking forward to waking up early in the morning, drinking coffee on the patio, and just enjoying the day and starting my day outside.
Our goal is not to simply pour concrete. It's to create spaces where memories are made.
Start your next concrete project with samtheconcreteman.com/TV or find out more at designingspaces.tv. Ever walked outside, caught a strong chlorine smell from your pool, and assumed it must be clean? That smell is actually a warning sign. It means your chlorine is losing the battle.
A healthy, chlorinated, balanced pool should have little to no odor at all. That offensive smell you're smelling is actually a sign that your sanitation is falling behind. Here's a little bit of science for you.
When chlorine first hits your pool, it's called free chlorine, active and ready to attack contaminants. But once it combines with sweat, oils, and debris, it turns into what's called combined chlorine, also known as chloramines. The stuff behind that strong chemical smell, many people mistake for meaning too much chlorine. The fix? You have to break those chloramines apart and reset the water.
The process of removing these contaminants or chloramines is called shocking. The real term is called chlorine breakpoint, but that is the process of removing those stubborn contaminants from the water. And not all chlorine works the same. Chlorine tablets and floaters, they may leave additional chemicals behind in your pool that build up. You want a good, strong chlorine like Santichlor. No slow dissolving chlorine. Chlorine breakpoint needs to happen instantly.
HASA's Pro-Grade fast-acting solution provides an instant, strong active chlorine that's ready to sanitize and oxidize without any of the additional additives you get from chlorine tablets. The bottom line, shocking your pool helps reset your water, restore your sanitizer, and keep your pool swim-ready all season long. For more pool tips, visit HASA.com, and if you've missed part of the show, head to designspaces.tv. See you poolside. For most homeowners, their home is more than a place to live. It's their biggest investment or asset. And in today's market, more people are choosing to stay put and maximize that investment with smart, flexible financial solutions that start right at home.
Since January of 2020, home prices have risen in our country approximately 50%. There's now approximately $20 trillion of trapped equity sitting in homes across our country.
Many homeowners are sitting on record high equity and exploring their options to tap into it. Understanding what options are available means learning how the home equity industry has evolved and what new options are available to help them achieve their goals in an easy, frictionless manner.
With the rise in home equity and borrowers' needs to tap into that, here are the three most commonly cited reasons. 1, debt consolidation. 2, replenishing depleted savings. And 3, the most frequently cited reason, home improvement.
Changing the way homeowners borrow starts with reframing the experience. Spring EQ has evolved the process, making home equity more accessible, flexible, and transparent.
Spring EQ is unique because we offer closed-end second mortgages, traditional home equity lines of credit, commonly referred to as HELOCs, and we also offer cash-out refinance options for borrowers looking at their first mortgages as well. Our own fixed-rate HELOC provides borrowers greater certainty and transparency into future payments. We offer closed-end second mortgages, which function very much like a first mortgage. And we also offer, for borrowers that are looking forward and predicting interest rates will be lower in the future, we offer variable rate traditional HELOCs as well. We close faster than traditional banks. Traditional banks tend to close in excess of 30 days. We close on average in approximately 15 days and can close in as few as 5 days with borrower engagement. If a borrower prefers a fully digital path, we offer that option. Fully digital, all online, full transparency, and no hidden fees. Or if a borrower prefers to speak to a licensed loan officer throughout the entire process, we offer that option as well.
For many families, equity isn't just numbers on a paper. It's the key to making their home work for them again. From debt consolidation to home improvements, the impact is both emotional and practical.
Me and my wife both love where we live. We've moved 3 or 4 times over the years, and we wanted to stay put. So I got a home equity loan because I have a growing family. I have a son and another son on the way. So we want to do home improvements by getting a garage, and above the garage will be a man loft with a bedroom and bathroom so I can have my man cave. When I was looking for a home equity loan, I wanted a company that would be transparent with me and supportive, but also a sense of urgency. With my wife being pregnant, I wanted to get the money as quickly as possible, and with Spring EQ, we were able to do so. My process with Spring EQ was very simple. I started out online, and it was followed up by a phone call with Greg. He was very helpful, made it personal with me, and he got me the money in hand within days, and I was able to call a contractor and start the process of the house renovations.
Home equity isn't just the backup plan, it's a resource. Used wisely and with the right team, it can improve both your home and your financial future.
Since getting the loan, we don't have to worry about moving. We're staying put. We got an additional garage, a bedroom, and a bathroom, and we're looking forward to baby number 2 on the way.
From dream renovations to debt relief, Spring EQ helps you take the next step with the equity you already have and the confidence to use it wisely.
Some of the common misconceptions of home equity loans are that you need to refinance your existing first mortgage when in fact you don't. Focus on the total debt payment, that there are not flexible options available for you when in fact we do offer those flexible options, and that perfect credit is required when in fact it's not. The lending process has evolved over time. It had traditionally been driven by banks, but over time you've seen the rise of the non-bank lender. Engage with a trusted company like Spring EQ, where we have provided over 120,000 loans since our inception in 2016, and we've provided over $11.5 billion of financing to homeowners across the United States.
From debt consolidation to dream renovations, your home holds the key to a brighter financial future. With Spring EQ, accessing that potential is simpler than ever. For more information, check out springeq.com or visit our website, designingspaces.tv. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.